Okay, let's talk about the real cost of leadership. I mean, the
Yeah.
second you step into a role with any kind of authority, you get hit with this really intense reality check.
Mm.
And the question is, do you actually live the values you say you do?
Yeah.
We all have these mission statements, about honesty, accountability, respect. But what happens when the pressure is really
Will
on?
get sacrificed, right?
Exactly. So today, we're doing a deep dive into sources that look at exactly that, this fundamental integrity gap in leadership.
Hmm.
And we're pulling lessons from some really different high-pressure places like IT, sales, and even education.
And for you, the listener, especially if you're just stepping into a new leadership role, maybe it's your first real promotion, this deep dive has, I